This video is covering how to remove duplicates in bulk. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's say this is our rec screen, and these transactions that came through the bank feed are the only legitimate transactions. We're reconciled, or we have a zero difference here. We know that we just need to eliminate these transactions. And depending on our cleanup period and what we're doing, of course, there's a manual or a one-by-one way to do this, and there's a bulk way to do it. So we're going to look at the bulk method, or one way to do it, a bulk method. So we know these transactions are the ones that are duplicates. If we go to the register and we sort here by no status, that will give us the transactions that are not checked on our reconciliation screen. $300, 175, etc. So this is the data that we're going to use. And so we want to export, and we'll do it to an Excel. Sure, an Excel worksheet or Excel spreadsheet. Okay, here's our register. And okay, so first thing we want to do, we'll just clean this up a little bit. And I'm going to get rid of things that we don't need. Okay. Let's freeze the top row so I can tell what we're looking at. Okay, so we have them by date. I'm just going to make these. No, actually, first I'm going to do this. Okay, and then I'm going to sort. So we have all the payments next to each other. And I'm going to make these. Oops. Negative. Like that. And I'm just going to copy and just paste the values. And then delete this. And then I'm just going to take my deposits and put them all here. So now we just have one amount column. Okay. Going to get rid of the payee. And the memo. Yeah. I'm just going to copy this just in case I need something. Okay. Okay, so now let me freeze this top row again. And I'm going to delete these columns. And this. What I want is the count and the amount. Okay. And now I'm going to make a pivot table. And let's say we want this data right here. Oops. Let's try that again. It could be easier if I select it first. Okay. There we go. New worksheet. So pivot. Date. Amount. Account. And depending on how we wanted to do this, to do group. Let's see. Missing something. Let's see. Okay, so we want to group these by month. Let's say that we wanted to do it like that. So we could do monthly journal entries. Okay. Of course, we could do it other time periods, but let's just say we want to do this for 1 month. So what would our journal entry be? A journal entry. Let's take this and come back here. Okay. Okay. And we need, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so let's just say we want to do a journal entry for January to clear those. Okay, so our first one is accounts receivable. Okay. And 191.40. This needs a customer name. And then we have auto fuel. Okay. And 116.56. We have design income. Remember, these are what is duplicated. So that is 225. And then we have job expenses, job materials, plants and soil. Okay. And what's our dollar amount? Looks like we have 2. Not sure that blank is there, but let's just say we have it 89.09 plus 76.90. Okay. There's our total, and then the difference is going to be our checking account. Okay, let's save that. Now, if we go back to our reconciliation screen, we take a look at this. I'm going to refresh it. And we're looking just at January. But that's okay. Let's look just at January. What did I put this date on? Oh, let's make this the end of January. Okay, I'm going to refresh. Okay, so we have our journal entry, and so we should be able to, so first let's select all these duplicate items in January to see how this works. Okay, so there's our difference. We have those duplicates, and here's our journal entry to clear them out. So now if we were just reconciling January, what we have is a reversing transaction on the other side for each of these to clear them out. So you can see if you're doing whatever this is, 10 transactions, saves a little bit of time. How about if you're doing a year's worth and you had hundreds or even thousands? That could make a difference. There's your journal entry. There's your rec screen. Looking at those, here's your data as it's exported from the register after you filtered by no status. I went ahead and formatted the dates. That didn't allow me to group by date because of the date format. And then here are your journal entries. And let's say if we wanted to do the year, not the month. Okay, we could do it by the year. We could do all of 2024. We could do all of 2025, whatever the case would be. And this is your journal entry.